If you're planning to launch a website this year, don't buy your hosting just yet, because you could save a lot more money than you expect. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on its hosting plans. But here's the best part that many people completely miss. If you use the first link in the description, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount automatically during checkout. That's right. There's no coupon code to enter, no voucher to copy, and no need to search through coupon websites hoping one of them still works. Simply click the special link below this video, choose the hosting plan that fits your needs, and your additional discount will be applied automatically before you complete your payment. When you first open the Hostinger website, you'll already notice discounted prices. Don't worry if you don't immediately see the extra 20% discount. The prices shown on the plans page are the regular promotional prices. Your additional discount is calculated during checkout, so continue to the payment page before comparing the final price. If the pricing isn't displayed in your local currency, simply click the flag icon at the top of the page and select your country. Hostinger will instantly update all prices into your local currency. Now let's choose the right hosting plan. If you're creating your first website, starting a blog, launching a portfolio, or building a website for your business, the premium plan is easily the best choice for most people. It includes hosting for multiple websites, a free SSL certificate, professional email accounts, one-click WordPress installation, access to the Hostinger website builder, AI-powered website tools, and on eligible plans, a free domain name. For beginners, it includes everything needed to launch a fast, professional-looking website without paying for unnecessary extras. If you're planning to run an online store or manage multiple websites, then the business plan is definitely worth upgrading to. It includes everything from the premium plan while adding daily backups, a free CDN, improved performance, and additional server resources. Daily backups automatically protect your website every day, making it easy to restore your files if something unexpected happens. The included CDN also helps your website load faster for visitors around the world, creating a better experience for everyone who visits your site. Now, if you're building a larger business or expect thousands of visitors every month, the Cloud Startup Plan is the best option. It offers dedicated resources, faster performance, priority support, and a dedicated IP address, making it ideal for growing websites that need extra speed and reliability. Another reason why millions of people choose Hostinger is its incredibly simple control panel. Unlike many traditional hosting dashboards that can feel confusing, Hostinger's custom H panel is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly. From one dashboard, you can install WordPress, manage domains, create business email accounts, monitor your website's performance, manage backups, and control every important setting without needing advanced technical knowledge. Hostinger also includes powerful AI features that save a huge amount of time. The AI website builder can generate a complete website in just a few minutes based on a few simple questions. It can even help create page layouts, write website content, and generate professional-looking designs, making it perfect for beginners who want to get online quickly. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, the 48-month plan usually gives you the biggest savings because it locks in today's promotional pricing for a much longer time. That means you'll pay less per month compared to shorter plans. And if you're still unsure, Hostinger includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can build your website, explore all the features, and if you're not completely satisfied, you can request a refund within the first 30 days.